Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. What we've got here is a toilet seat. Nice fancy one, but it's crooked. You see there, and she's really stubborn crooked. Look at the line on the back there. It needs some help. So what we do with these guys here, anything that's got this type of hydraulic slow put down lid has got the same sort of, it's got to have a very rigid pin system in through the base here. So then what we do is just grab hold of the seat and pull it vertically upwards like that. The same on the other side, and she'll come up like that. Put the toilet seat to the side, and you see under here is where we're going to get to make the adjustment. So you can see this one here has clearly slipped and moved, which has turned it around. So we're going to loosen this off, pull it back into the same position as this. But you've got to keep these two the same distance apart or the seat won't go back on. We'll move that one back to its position and see how we go. So I've set the toilet seat back onto the pins. This one's not done up as yet, but you can adjust it and move it while it's loose. So you get it exactly where it wants to be. It's not on and clipped down, it's just sitting on. So we can get it to the right position. And then, while it's actually sitting there, we can do up those screws, and then put the covers back on and fix them up. Now it's sitting nice and straight, so much better, not hanging off like it was. And you know, if people are showing it really hard side to side, rather than the bowl break, those little things will move. It's how they're designed to be. You might have to do it every now and then, but get them down tight enough, and it should stay in place.